Hi, I'm Kelly from Skin Dimensions Day Spa. Today I'm giving you a demo of Dermaflash, along with 2 complementary products used to enhance results, all available for purchase right now at skindimensionsonline.com. Alright, so we just prepped her skin, and now we're going to use the Dermaflash unit to go across the skin. And as we move the tool over the skin, we are exfoliating dead skin cells, and as you can see, vellus hair, peach fuzz is just coming right off. And it really helps the overall appearance of the skin, brightens up the skin, helps with the texture and the tone of the skin. The Dermaflash tool is great for at-home use. This exfoliation that you're doing on your skin is going to allow your product penetration to go a lot deeper into the epidermis. So your products are going to be that much more effective. So the great thing about the edges is they're super thin and they get very, very close to the epidermis, allowing all those dead skin cells to really slough off. You just want to be very careful around the eye area. Don't necessarily go to put too much pressure on the eye area because that skin is so thin. Your main focus should be forehead, cheeks, chin. Cheeks and chin. You don't really need to go over the nose or the pore area. A lot of people ask if their hair is going to grow back more intense or more rapidly. That is not possible. Your hair growth is your hair growth. It's vellus hair, and it can't automatically turn into terminal hair, which is that dark hair, so you're not going to grow any different type of hair. There's 2 speeds, but be careful with the second speed because it is a little intense. And be careful around the lip area because this area is a little bit thinner. And now she's all soft and smooth. So we're all set. I'm gonna have you go ahead and feel it, Kelly. Wow, so soft, right?
Big difference.
Yeah. So with that dead skin and vellus hair removed, we're now gonna put the buff on, and everything that we now put on after doing the Dermaflash is gonna go that much more deeper into the epidermis, allowing those products to work a lot more effectively. So now we're going to use our buff product. This has cranberry enzymes in it, so after doing the dermaplaning, sometimes you might have a little bit of dead skin cells sitting around, so you want to get rid of some of that. So it's going to help enzymes sit on the skin and they just eat away the dead skin cells, so it's going to make her that much softer. The enzymes are going to make her that much brighter, and there's a little bit of lactic acid, which is really great for the softness and the texture of the skin. You're going to feel a tingle sensation. That's normal. You might get a little pink. That's normal as well. And we're just gonna put this all over. Now at home, after you apply it, you can really manipulate it into the skin by using your hands. It's really great to also use in the shower because that steam is really gonna help open up the pores, and the more you manipulate it into the skin, the deeper it's gonna get into the epidermis. So for now, we're just gonna let this sit for a few minutes and then we're gonna rinse it right off. Now we're gonna use our recovery mask from Skin Dimensions. It has nut and butter oil, so it's really gonna help calm the inflammation in the skin, help take care of any redness that you may have. It's really great during the winter time when you're just feeling kind of dry and dehydrated. It's really great all the time. We're just gonna let this sit for a few minutes. But even at home, you can, if you're feeling extra sensitive or irritated or inflamed due to lots of things, you can actually sleep in it. And even though it's super hydrating, it doesn't feel terribly heavy. So we let the recovery mask sit on the skin for quite a few minutes. Her skin was a little dry, so it absorbed a little bit quickly. So we're just actually gonna leave it on. We're gonna let her leave it on like a moisturizer for the rest of the day so it really can do its job onto the skin. So I'm just gonna kind of work whatever's left on here. And she'll just use that as her moisturizer for the day. And as you can see, her skin's already looking nice and glowy. To purchase the Dermaflash 2.0 Buff Cranberry Enzyme Mask and the Recovery Nourishing Fruit Mask, visit skindimensionsonline.com.